The Rolls-Royce Phantom stands as the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship, embodying a legacy of excellence that has been refined over decades. Every detail of this masterpiece reflects meticulous engineering, from its commanding presence to the finest materials used in its construction. As it sits in the lavish showroom, bathed in soft, ambient lighting, the essence of exclusivity and prestige radiates from every angle. The showroom itself is a sanctuary of elegance, designed to complement the grandeur of the Phantom. The polished marble floors mirror the car's silhouette, adding to the sense of timeless sophistication. The illuminated display on the wall proudly presents the name Rolls-Royce Phantom, a symbol of automotive perfection and prestige. The handcrafted exterior showcases the iconic Pantheon grille, seamlessly integrating with the spirit of ecstasy that gracefully adorns the hood. The sleek, elongated profile commands attention, while the flawless paintwork reflects the environment with unparalleled clarity. Each line, each curve is sculpted to perfection, a testament to the artisans who dedicate countless hours to ensuring that every Phantom meets the highest standards of luxury. Step closer, and the aura of refinement becomes even more profound. The doors, adorned with polished chrome handles, open with a whisper, revealing an interior that redefines the concept of opulence. The soft aroma of the finest leather fills the air, a scent synonymous with luxury. The seats, hand-stitched by master craftsmen, provide the ultimate comfort, offering a sanctuary of tranquility. The wood veneers, sourced from the rarest trees, are polished to perfection, their natural grain adding warmth and character to the cabin. The Starlight headliner, an exquisite feature unique to Rolls-Royce, transforms the roof into a mesmerizing night sky, each fiber-optic light carefully positioned to create a celestial masterpiece. The dashboard, a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship, houses a state-of-the-art infotainment system, concealed behind elegant glass panels. Every button, every dial is meticulously designed, ensuring an intuitive and effortless experience for both driver and passenger. The Phantom is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement of success and individuality. The attention to detail extends to the smallest elements, from the embroidered headrests to the bespoke clock that sits gracefully in the center console. The whisper-quiet cabin, insulated with the finest soundproofing materials, offers a serene escape from the outside world. Even at high speeds, the only sound that accompanies the journey is the gentle hum of the powerful V12 engine, delivering effortless acceleration with a sense of grace. The air suspension glides over any surface, ensuring a ride so smooth that passengers feel as if they are floating on air. Every journey in the Phantom is an experience, an indulgence in the art of motoring. Beyond its luxurious appointments, the Phantom is also a technological marvel. The advanced driver assistance systems ensure a safe and effortless driving experience, while the precision engineering beneath the hood guarantees unparalleled performance. The seamless integration of power and refinement makes every drive a pleasure, whether navigating city streets or cruising on open highways. The rear seats, designed for those who prefer to be chauffeured, offer an unparalleled level of comfort. With reclining capabilities, massage functions, and personalized climate settings, they create an environment akin to a private jet. The signature rear-hinged coach doors, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce, allow for graceful entry and exit, further emphasizing the effortless luxury that defines the Phantom. Each Phantom is a reflection of its owner's personality, with customization options that allow for complete personalization. From unique color palettes to bespoke embroidery, every detail can be tailored to create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The Rolls-Royce Bespoke program ensures that no two Phantoms are alike, allowing discerning clients to bring their visions to life. Whether it's monogrammed initials, custom inlays, or exclusive upholstery materials, the possibilities are endless. This level of exclusivity ensures that every Phantom is not just a car but a work of art, a legacy that will be cherished for generations. As the Phantom stands in the showroom, it is more than just a vehicle on display, it is an embodiment of aspiration and achievement. The illuminated wall bearing its name serves as a reminder of the heritage and prestige associated with Rolls-Royce. Those who admire it understand that it is not merely a means of transportation but a symbol of status and refinement. It represents the pursuit of perfection, the relentless dedication to craftsmanship, and the unwavering commitment to excellence. The allure of the Phantom lies not just in its breathtaking aesthetics but in the emotions it evokes, a sense of pride, fulfillment, and ultimate luxury. For those who experience the Rolls-Royce Phantom, it becomes clear that this is more than just a car, it is a sanctuary on wheels, a masterpiece of design and engineering that transcends the ordinary. It is a vehicle for those who demand the absolute best, those who understand that luxury is not just about wealth but about an uncompromising pursuit of excellence. The Phantom does not shout for attention, it commands it with an understated presence, an aura of sophistication that speaks volumes without saying a word. It is a car for visionaries, for leaders, for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Every element of the Phantom has been designed with purpose, from the precision of its hand-assembled engine to the soft closed doors that ensure a seamless entry and exit. The iconic coach line, meticulously hand-painted by skilled artisans, is a mark of distinction, a detail that signifies the attention to craftsmanship that defines Rolls-Royce. The illuminated treadplates, bearing the name Phantom, serve as a reminder that stepping into this vehicle is an experience like no other. The journey in a Rolls-Royce Phantom is unlike any other, a seamless blend of power, luxury, and innovation. The effortless performance of the V12 engine ensures that every drive is smooth and refined, with power delivered in a way that feels almost ethereal. The road ahead is not just a path but an extension of the Phantom's domain, where every mile is a statement of elegance. The advanced suspension system absorbs every imperfection, creating an unparalleled level of comfort that transforms even the longest journeys into moments of pure indulgence. For those who choose the Phantom, it is more than just a purchase, it is an investment in a legacy of excellence. It is a commitment to a lifestyle defined by sophistication, refinement, and exclusivity. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not about transportation, it is about making a statement, about surrounding oneself with the very best that life has to offer. The Phantom stands as a beacon of automotive artistry, a timeless masterpiece that continues to set the standard for luxury. In the grand showroom, surrounded by an ambiance of sophistication, the Phantom remains the undisputed centerpiece. The name Rolls-Royce Phantom, displayed elegantly on the wall, serves as a tribute to its unparalleled legacy. Those who admire it understand that it is more than just a car, it is a symbol of aspiration, success, and ultimate luxury. It is not merely a mode of travel but an experience, an indulgence in the art of craftsmanship, a masterpiece that defines what it means to live without compromise.